Hello again, this is Randy Kattanese from Kattanese & Wells, and today I want to talk to you about a doctrine called assumption of risk. Many states have different rules on this. Some states have a national statute that applies to how assumption of risk works, but California is one of the states that does not have that. And in California, they have several doctrines related to assumption of risk, but basically it's a policy issue for the state. And what that is basically society says, look, should we let people engage in risky activity? And if we do, then how much should they bear the risk if they get hurt? For example, skiing, jumping out of an airplane, and horses. And in California, the appellate courts have said that horses are inherently dangerous. So in California, absent a waiver of liability, absent some written document that releases you as a trainer, the owner of the horse, maybe you're providing board and care, then the law is going to say general principles of negligence will apply, meaning did you act reasonably under the circumstances. However, if you use a waiver, a written document that says, look, if I'm going to train with you and I get hurt training with you, I relieve you of liability for normal negligence, general negligence. And the law basically says you can waive, and the courts will enforce these waivers if it's basic negligence. However, they won't enforce a provision like this where the consent was obtained fraudulently, the waiver was signed but you didn't know what you were signing, or if the injury is the result of somebody doing something outside of the normal situation. For example, a trainer tells you, get up on the saddle, but they don't tell you to put a helmet on. You fall off, you hurt your head, you have injury. In that type of situation, the courts generally will not enforce the waiver. So if you are someone who is providing training, providing services of any type with regard to horses in the public, make sure you use a very well-written waiver document. And if you're somebody who is using a trainer, going to a boarding facility or otherwise, read these waivers before you sign them because the courts will enforce them. And as always, if you have any questions, always feel free to call our office, Kattanese & Wells. We're on the internet at kattaneselaw.com, and feel free to ask for us. We will provide information to help you with your equine questions. And thank you very much.